Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chance and Tony. Yeah, it's Tony. Today we're going to bring you some content on the Z. We're going to be making a custom, what's it called, subframe connector kind of dealish, just to stiffen up the rear end a little bit.
It's gonna go between the two strut towers in the back.
Just fill that space up a little bit. And we have a special guest today. Where's Luke at? Lucas! Oh, he's camera shy right now.
What are you doing?
Little shop dog of the day right here.
Sit.
No, he's shy.
Good boy. Oh, you laying down?
But we're gonna get on this, guys, and bring it to you. Stay tuned. All right, so Tony's gonna walk us through a little bit of how we're gonna make this rear strut bar to stiffen up this chassis. And that's just gonna be a little visual.
Representation.
All right, so show us what we're doing, bud, because I have no clue.
We're just gonna take this, or something like this, right? Go from top of those, and then one going diagonal. And that should, you know, stiffen it up. I like to do top hats, but I mean, it's something that we could do. But as of right now, just, you know, getting it slapped together while we got some downtime waiting on some motor drivetrain parts. And I really don't want to make a trip to Lowe's.
All right, guys, so we're gonna get at this, just garage built more things. All right, guys, we're back at you right now. Got it in, have these posts grinded down so we can go ahead and tack it up. How you feeling about it?
Looks good, looks good.
You want to give it a little shake, show how solid it is, not even being welded in, or?
Well, now it's probably a little loose. Oh, actually.
So it's looking like this is gonna work very nicely. All right, we're gonna go and tack it up and be back in a second, guys. All right, you guys just saw Tony get those tacked in right now. So this is all tacked in. So we're about to start on this crossbar. Just for a visual representation, it'll go down there, then come back up here, under there. And then we should be done with this rear crossmember support. You excited or what?
Oh, hell yeah. Turned out a lot better than I thought.
so we got this other bar in, and Tony's excited.
Very much, very much.
It's looking mint.
Getting a headache, all this grinding.
Yeah, so Tony hates grinding, so he always makes me do it usually.
Yeah, but you're crippled now.
So I made him do a little bit tonight, and he's not happy. But he's gonna get this tacked up, and then we should be good on this. We just have to weld it up completely, paint it up, and it'll be mint.
Yeah, and then we gotta figure out if I'm putting carpet back here or ripping up all this sound deadening and painting.
So, tons of decisions.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, what do you guys think? Just comment down below and tell us what's up. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, we got this finished up. Got this. All right, tacked up. Yeah, you're right.
Hey,
But
don't get too close to those tacks.
when you're right with that, you can see it's level. We were thinking about adding another bar in here just for a little bit more support, you know, just to make sure this whole thing's locked up. But this whole little project, it's a good little Sunday night, just weekend adventure. What was all that? Like,
Some bar laying around the
what would all that take? Like 2 hours in total, and we were able to get all this. I mean, it kind of helps that the car's torn apart too, so when we get to little projects like this,
Right.
just to keep motivation going on everything.
But you know what we can do looking at this is when we go, we can eventually make some top hats that have a bar that goes loops to do harness bar.
I mean, yeah, that wouldn't be a bad idea either, and we could go and make sure that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Show you guys how to make your own custom harness bar in the future. Nice little video idea, Tony. Shout out to that. Shout out to that. But overall, I think this is really good. So that's it from it on that. Other than that, like, subscribe, and peace out.
Like, subscribe, drink, bang.
Yeah, all right. We'll just do what Tony says now. But peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.